Namaskaram everyone. So before we go into today's daily V, I want to share something. So I'm going on a trek with Team Yanam, which also has our awesome meditator Piyushana. So this will be a 4-day trek and I want to show you guys some footage of it. So me and Nitinana will be there. So in case any of you want to join, you can message Team Yanam. I'll put their contact details also on screen and on in description. So let's see some footage of where we are going. Yes, it includes the famous Tungnath temple. So it is not just a trek in that sense. It will be, I don't know, I haven't gone. This is the first time I'll also be going. But from the itinerary, I feel that it has a lot of spiritual element in it. So if you feel like it is something that you want to do, you can check out their Instagram page and contact Piyushana directly. Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily V. OG shop. OG ആണ് സുബ്രഹ്മണ്യൻ ആണ്. സുബ്രഹ്മണ്യൻ ഷോപ്പ്. സുബ്രഹ്മണ്യൻ. ഓ, Biota Garden Store.
These are what we are going to plant
For Somana's terrace garden.
Yes, my plants.
OG, what is your Instagram handle?
Fine. Go to the shop's Instagram handle. Biota Garden Store. Yes.
No link in description and screen.
Thank you for the plug.
Shop tour.
Welcome to Biota Garden Store.
He's taking us to the cash place.
Don't come anywhere.
നേരെ cash ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. Bill. Shop tour instead of shop tour is giving us bill.
Take a 360.
അയ്യോ, ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്ന് എടുക്കണം.
360 എടുത്തോ. Go to ultra wide.
എന്നാ താൻ തന്നെ എടുത്തോ.
This is the highlight piece of the shop.
Which one?
Check it out. This one.
Oh.
നമ്മുടെ മറ്റേ സ്പാനിഷ് മോസ് എവിടെ ചെയ്താ?
Oh, അടിപൊളിയല്ലോ.
മൂന്നെണ്ണം അപ്പുറത്തുണ്ട്.
So could you tell like what kind of plants you are more focused on?
So these are all indoor plants, but now we are out of stock. It will come soon. So basically we are not like an indoor plant shop. This is just the front piece. That's it. But mainly basically we are an agriculture shop. We are agriculture consultants. We consult people. We do terrace gardens. We advise people on it. Everything. Okay. So we did this just to. This has only been it's only been like 3-4 months, I think. This has been done. So just to fill the space, we did this. But mainly we are agriculture, supporting farmers, promoting kitchen gardeners, everything, backyard gardeners, everyone.
So could you tell, like, agriculture means basically anyone who wants to get into farming can they reach out to
see
you?
that you are just interested in, say that you have like even if you have like 100 square feet space and you want to do something there, just come to us. I'll tell you from A to Z on how to do it, like from the soil preparation to how to fertilize, in what intervals, what pesticide you need to use, everything. So a lot of people don't know what kind of pesticide they need to use. Straight away they go to some other garden store and just ask for one medicine. They just give out like. So the chemical has grades. I've seen like the customers that come here now, they have been going to other places and they come and tell me that this has been the product they have been using. And when I check which product is that, it's like red. So the chemical is graded from like green to red. Okay. The this thing pesticide which is given to them is at least like yellow. Okay. Which is not necessary for like things like whiteflies and all. It's like, ooh.
Yes, sir.
What is happening over here? What is
We are
someone
checking
buying?
out the seeds. So what else? The new ones that what we can have. What do we want to eat? Matar.
I want watermelon.
Matar.
This is chili. This is chili.
Chili.
So what will we get? Spinach. I want spinach. I want. What else?
എല്ലാം കരിഞ്ഞു പോയി.
എല്ലാം പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
സാറ്റർഡേ സൺഡേ വെറുതെ ഇട്ടിട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ ആലോചിക്കുന്നത്
ഇന്ത്യാന
ഓർക്കിഡ്.
ഓജിയുടെ ഫേസ് കണ്ടില്ല.
ഓജിയുടെ ഫേസ് ആണ്.
ഓജി's face. Thug life.
Charming, no? Charming.
കുറച്ച് പെണ്ണുങ്ങളുടെ ഇടി കേട്ടെ.
Oh, I didn't get that shot. Someone ഒന്നുകൂടി.
വെണ്ട കണ്ടുപിടിക്കട്ടെ.
വെണ്ട ഇവിടെ. ഇത് ആകെ ഇപ്പൊ തൽക്കാലം ഇത് ചില്ലി, ഇത് തക്കാളി, അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ്
ടൊമാറ്റോ.
ഇതിനകത്ത് ബാക്കി എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് തപ്പി പിടിക്കണം. അതെ, കുറച്ച് വലുതുണ്ടോ?
ഇതിപ്പോ നമ്മള് ലാസ്റ്റ് ടൈം വെച്ച വെറൈറ്റി അല്ല കേട്ടോ.
പിന്നെ
ഇത് മറ്റേ വൈറ്റാ. നമ്മൾ വെച്ചേക്കുന്നത് ഡാർക്ക് ഗ്രീനാ. നമ്മളിപ്പോ വെച്ചത് ഡാർക്ക് ഗ്രീൻ.
വൈറ്റ് കുക്കുംബർ വേരിയന്റ്.
നമുക്കതില്ലേ?
ഡാർക്ക് ഗ്രീൻ ഒന്നില്ല, ഇപ്പൊ വൈറ്റ്.
Cowpeas. This is our cowpeas. We are taking 30.
Yes. This is also small, no, dude? Won't we have bigger ones? With the beats, fresh food coming up, cowpeas in.
So these are the services provided by Biota Garden, organic fertilizer, terrace gardening and all these. So if you want to reach out, you can email them here, or I think this WhatsApp il undo ee number, or WhatsApp this number. Capsicum. Orange sunset. If you had come a little more earlier, you would have seen a big queue.
Now, oh, it is closed.
Now it is closed. What is there, Somanna?
The elixir of life.
Wine to divine. So if you want wine, you come here.
Divine to wine.
Yes.
That's. അത് കാണിച്ചോ ഇട്ടോ.
Somanna paradu. Monsoon.
Yes, പറയാലോ. അതിന് കണ്ടു. Have a look. Monsoon. Orange monsoon. ശരി, ആ രീതിയിൽ വന്നാലും പറഞ്ഞാൽ കൊടുക്കണുള്ളൂ. അത് പോയടാ കറുത്തു.
ചാമ്പിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറ.
കിങ്ങിണി ചാമ്പ.
This one?
ഈ മാവ്
English man. English chan. English.
We are Malayalis. അതെ,
ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് this is a grafted mango tree. This variety is called Chandrakaran. Those who knows mangoes know this variety, Chandrakaran. You suck this mango. You suck the juice out of it. That's how you have it. It's a very nice mango.
Tell us about Kingni Chamba.
That's a native variety of this place, Kingni Chamba. It's actually a pretty good chamba. I mean, what is the English of this thing?
I think rose apple.
Yeah, rose apple. Yeah. Oh, is it rolling?
Rolling.
So this is how Vaishakanna comes on cam every time, okay? Every single time without break. Only when Somanna calls him in the morning, he wakes up early morning, okay? 6 a.m. sharp, he'll be at Isha or at my place. Last time when we went to, where did we go? Kattadikadavu. That's the only time Vaishakanna has seen the sun come up, okay? Rest every time this is how Vaishakanna comes. Namaskaram guys, it's 9:30 a.m. Today also I overslept. I'm going to do my sadhana. Right after that, one time lapse, okay, one full speed time lapse of you doing this Angamardana and all that. Nowadays he doesn't do Angamardana. Now straight and goes to food scenes. Chicken, beef, mutton, everything. Isha full-time vlogger. Very big influence. So, okay guys, bye.
Bye Shashankanna. That
fun.
is his real name, not OG.
That's right. So if you have any queries related to agriculture, your terrace garden, even your normal indoor plants or anything, just come to my shop. It is in St. Francis Church Road, Kallur. My shop's name is Biota Garden Store. Or you can call the number that was shown in the board. Anything. Okay, namaskaram, bye.
Bye. Namaskaram everyone. So we are at Isha Life. So I found some new products. Many of you might already know it, but I'm still showing. So this is the Buddha Shuddhi kit in a copper box. I haven't seen it myself. Most of you might have also seen it in a cloth bag. But this is a much more beautiful set. Maybe many of you can get this if you want. It looks very nice in your home. And next, the most important update. Linga Bhairavi Camphor has got a new cover.
2.0.
2.0. Now, we have Iron Man plate. So this you can, I don't know, maybe, don't know the exact purpose. Maybe you can check the site. So this costs 260 rupees.
Only 2.
Only 260. Okay, only 260. And another beautiful set. We have a leaf.
Iron
Somana, hold the leaf.
Iron.
No? Okay, only I will hold. Somana is busy in messaging. Okay. And
Vela.
maybe Krishna can sleep on it.
Price.
Oh, price. Price is 460 rupees.
Only.
So you can check it at ishalife.com. And the most beautiful piece of all this
Ashwata, come.
is this the Mystic Moon. Asha, we will hold it together.
ഇതൊക്കെ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യണം.
Mute ചെയ്ത് അല്ല പക്കാതെ.
ഞാനിവിടെ സീനിയർ കേട്ടോ, എന്റെ കടയിലത്.
ഇത് എന്റെ കടയിൽ.
ഇതൊക്കെ ഞാനിടും.
ആ ഇതില് ആ വലിയ ആ പൈസ എത്ര? ആ നീട്ട്. യെസ്.
അടുത്തോണ്ടൊന്ന് വിളിക്കും. കാണാം ശരിക്കും. Okay guys, at ishalife.com only. Only. Okay. Thank you. So you can get this. This price
Cost.
Yeah, the cost of this. The cost of this is 760 rupees
Only.
Okay. Last but not the least, our very own Nilavembu Kashayam in tablet form only costs rupees 199. So this is very important for the corona times because this is something that will boost your immunity and keep you healthy. So definitely this is back in stock and you can check it on ishalife.com and get it for yourself.